So today, hi, it's Rose from Alma Park. So today we're getting in Cascade's new hand-painted worsted yarns. It's Cascade 220. So I haven't seen them yet in person, so you're gonna see them with me. I know, it's always scary cutting a box with a razor that has yarn in it. Let's see. Ah, I can't open it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Woohoo! Oh, here's some new colors of Cascade 220. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, the hand paints. Let's see. Oh, yeah. What do you think? Let's see what else we have. They're going to be up on the website today, if they're not already when this video comes out. These go perfectly with Cascade 220 and Cascade 220 Wave. Perfect for sweaters, baby blankets, all sorts of stuff. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, let's see what this one is. It's a lot of speckles there. Ooh, lots of greens. There's 12 colors. I don't know if I showed that one already. I might have. This one's going to be dark for the camera, but might be able to see it. Greens and blues. And I think this is the last one. This is dark blue. So there you have it. Cascade 220 hand paints. It's a brand new yarn line for Cascade. It's also a brand new yarn line for our store, obviously. And it coordinates perfectly with Cascade 220 and Wave. So stop in today and also look for it online. Okay, bye-bye.